This is a fun algorithm to do on a nice cube. And it works for larger cubes, obviously, too, but this is what I call the taillights. I've got my first 2 layers done, obviously. I'm trying to get all the yellows on top, and these 2 are facing me. So what I do is an R2, a D with my ring finger, get my thumb out of the way, do an R prime to bring this up a 1/4 turn, a U2, I regrip so I can do an R and then use this ring finger to do a D prime, do another R prime to bring that up, a U2, and then bring this back down. And voila.